Hi guys, this is Jake from All Things Garmisch, and this is one of my tips and tricks for Neuschwanstein Castle. When you come here, as I've told you before, you want to take the bus up to Neuschwanstein, and the bus will drop you off right here. You can see there's the bus Haltung right there, that little area where you can wait when it's raining. But what happens when you get up here and you find that the Mary's Bridge is closed? You see, Mary's Bridge, which was built by Ludwig II for his mother, gives a stunning view of Neuschwanstein, but it's oftentimes closed. Or there's a line a mile long and you just don't want to wait. Well, here's a neat little trick. When you get here, you can see there's the path that goes up to Mary's Bridge. There's a small waiting area for when it rains. And if you look over here, there's a small road that goes in this direction. And you can see a sign that says here, Castle that direction, which is the other direction. And in this direction, you can see it leads to a small mountain hut, which has great broadside, which is mixed meats and cheeses with bread. I highly recommend it. But if you're short on time, and you don't want to wait at the long line to go to Mary's Bridge to have that stunning view of Neuschwanstein, or if the bridge is closed, walk down this street. If you'll walk down this street for about 3 to 4 minutes, on the left-hand side is a small little bench, and it affords you a stunning view of Neuschwanstein. And it's one that very few people know of, so you probably have it to yourself. Enjoy.